Hello friends, welcome to All Things Digital. Today I'm reviewing the binoculars by Adorrgon. It's Adorrgon, and it's a waterproof binoculars. Um, just unboxing this one. This binoculars is for adults. I already have some binoculars for my kids, so I thought I'll order one for me. For my kids I ordered long back and they were really cheap and then they're really good, but I ordered mine yesterday and it costed me around $38 from Amazon. So Adorrgo and Adorrgon 12x42 powerful HD binoculars bring the world closer to you. That's what it says. So let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Just a box. Cleaning towel and the purchase is 100% guaranteed. Let's see. An instruction manual. This looks like the adapter for cell phone, and this is also same thing. Let's see how this works. And a tripod. I don't know how sturdy it is. And pouch with the binoculars. So it contains phone adapter, tripod adapter, binoculars tripod. Well, let's see how this works. I'm going to set this up as per the manual says. And that's it. How will this go? Okay, there is a knob here. It says unlock. What happens? I don't know what happens. Oh, okay. So this knob, if you click on this knob, you can rotate this one. Then if you just leave it, then it just locks. That's what it says. And then I think I put it properly as per the instructions. How this is going to be mounted. So the tripod looks cheap and plasticky, but it looks sturdy on the table, and I'm not able to figure out to attach the binoculars to this tripod. The instructions are not clear. I need to spend some time on it. It goes something like this, but I don't know how this will attach. And it also comes with the phone adapter, right? So you can attach your adapter to the phone, and then you can attach it to the binoculars like this. But I'm still figuring it out how to set up these things. Spend like almost 30 minutes. Still, like this and this combination doesn't work properly. So it has the cover here, and make sure, like, be careful. These can fall off. It's just, it's not like any screw here. It's just attached. And then you have caps here which comes off, and then you can adjust this. I don't know what you call lines, what it says in the instructions. It says barrels, rotate the barrels, and then here it is the center focus. I think that's what it's called in the instructions. And yeah, so this is cheap, I think cheap plastic, but still looks good. I just looked at some far distance objects all the way there. It looks closer. It looks clear. I need to spend time on watching boards or some other places, then I'll know how good this is. But this is still like a little bit pricier than my other 12x50, and looks cheaper, but I think works for me. And then it also comes with this phone adapter, right? You just attach like this, and then go here, and then start recording or taking pictures. But still I'm not able to figure out. Once I figure out, I'll make another video, but this is just unboxing. I hope you liked my video. Stay tuned for more videos, and please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.